some facts about birds. Oh, do you know there is the biggest and fastest bird in
What
the
is
world?
that? What is that?
Ostrich.
Oh, really?
It's the
Ostrich?
biggest and the fastest birds that can
I
run
think that
in the
bird
world.
cannot fly.
Yeah, it cannot
because-
fly because
just like we told you yesterday.
Yes.
Because of
because of their
is
body
too heavy.
yeah, and
But they can run so fast.
they can run so fast because they have
long legs.
long legs and very
Oh.
athletic legs.
Wow.
And then we have another fact.
What is?
Do you know there are
Yes.
more than 10,000
Kind.
species of birds in the world?
Wow.
More than
So what?
10,000.
More than 10,000?
Yes, so
Whoa.
many.
Yeah.
And then
Hollow.
they have hollow bones
Oh,
that
yes.
can help them to fly.
Fly.
Yes, easily.
And they lay eggs.
And they lay eggs, have wings, feathers,
Feathers.
and they are warm-blooded.
Warm-blooded. And the food for the bird is different from one to another. Like, but mostly
Yeah,
eat, what does it mean? Seeds.
Yeah.
But some
mostly
birds,
seeds.
they
Some birds eat meat. Also,
meat,
like fish.
yeah.
You know, like eagle. They
the
eat
snake,
snake,
right?
yeah.
Whoa. It makes their big different one to another too, right? Just like the
Yes.
woodpecker. They have the very sharp, what's it?
and strong beak.
Beak that one
to
can pack the wood.
Yeah. Do you know when birds fly,
Yeah. Lost.
they will not get lost.
Wow, so amazing.
Yes, because
Why?
the scientists say that some birds they have the magnetic muscle,
Oh.
magnetic muscles on
Really?
their
Nostril?
nostril,
Whoa.
upon their nostril, and it makes them know which way to go. Like the compass, remember?
What? The
Compass has
compass?
magnet, right? And it's always
Oh.
show the north. So,
So
birds also
interesting.
use
Same?
some of
Wow,
birds
some of
have
birds.
magnetic muscles like that.
That's
And then
great.
they see from the river. They follow the river.
Oh, why?
They follow the hills and mountains, so they can know where are they. Because they don't have compass,
Oh.
they don't have maps, they
So
don't have.
Oh yeah, of course they don't have map.
Yeah, anything like us. We can
Yeah.
use Google Maps to find out
But the
where are
birds?
we. But the birds, no. They
Wow.
use sun.
Oh really?
Yeah, to find out where are they, where to go. So
Wow,
they will not
good.
get
Just
lost.
like long time ago, the
Yeah.
people also use sun
Yes.
to know where we are. Maybe we are in the north or south.
before we found the compass or
Compass, yeah.
maps. Yeah.
We use the sun. Oh, can you find the bird up there?
On the tree.
Oh, miss, look
Yeah.
at this! I found something.
What?
Look at this! Wow, what a cute
What's it?
feather!
Oh,
Whoa!
what feather is this, Miss Fia?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's a chicken or a bird.
Oh,
So cute. Can you see this, kids? Maybe the bird or the chicken just go here,
Yeah.
and one
And
of the feathers fell off
Okay, let's find
let's find
another.
another.
Maybe we can find the birds.
up there. Maybe.
Ding, 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 ding. Do you hear that?
Is that the bird?
Oops. Maybe they are here.
Maybe up in a tree.
Oh, but there's no birds here.
Really?
Yeah.
The birds has-
Oh.
yeah.
Oh!
Cute
birds!
Oh, it's so interesting to know the fact about the bird.
Yeah, there's
Agnes.
still many things about the birds.
Yeah.
You can see from Khan Academies
Oh
to
yeah.
know more about
About
birds.
birds.
Okay, we will add the link and you can
Okay.
read from Khan Academies too.
Yes.
Okay. And guys, we are so sad because it is our last day for nature study
Yeah.
in our virtual learning. But when you come back to school, we will have nature study again.
Yes,
Okay,
and
so
just keep doing science in your house.
yes, you can do many. You can
Explore
find many science
everything.
thing at
Yeah.
home. See you in our nature study super 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 soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
hopefully we can go back to school soon.
See you and stay healthy. Okay. Don't forget to
Yes.
wash your hands, eat healthy food, and exercise.
Okay.
Bye bye.